This here is New Jersey. New Jersey doesn't look that good either. Look at those cars. All piled up. Inside, look at that. New Jersey's pretty messed up too. People are blocked in. How do you get out of that? You don't. You wait till tomorrow. Next day, until it melts. You come up there, put some back into it, you shovel yourself out. That's what I would do. So New York got hit pretty good. New Jersey got hit pretty good. The problem is, there's too many cars in the streets and they can't plow. All they can plow is the middle. If they're stuck, they're stuck. Be like that guy.